Okay, we're back at it. See where we're at here. Okay, had about 3 coats. Base coat on here. This is where the damages was. So you see, filled them in. Colored up just fine. About 3 coats, about 15 minutes between each coat. And then I went back and lightly sanded it with 600 to get all the high spots and little nibs and anything like off that. Try to make it as smooth as I can. Again, anyone has $10,000 they want to send me, I'll be glad to have it painted the right way. But we've already shaken this up. This is the clear coat we use. I have about 20 cans of it. And we're going to start with a light coat over the whole panel. Start past your panel and come down. Try to keep it wet, the edges wet. Nothing heavy, just a quick light coat. Then we'll give that time to flash for about 10 minutes. That'll actually help level it out a lot. The clear really levels it out. Maybe when you come back and color sand on top of that and do some buffing and polishing, it looks gorgeous. Okay, we're going to disappear again. We're going to give that about 10 minutes or so to flash, and we'll be back. You can already see some of the shine starting to come through right there. The sun coming through the shop. I don't have the greatest light in here, so but you can see it already looks a lot better than it was, and that's just a light coat. It's already got some shine to it. Again, not $10,000. Be back in a bit.